It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would.
Introducing 31 Holstein, Box Hill, our very first listing in Box Hill.
Everybody watch out. Watch out now.
The Gables is a master planned community designed by the Celestino Group. Now, what makes that special is it means that they've strategically planned how to make this suburb the most comfortable, functional, and really enjoyable place to live.
I'm coming in hot and I can't be beat. Watch out now. Baby, watch out now.
The home itself was actually designed by Allworth Homes, and not a cent was spared when it comes to the inclusions and all the extras included in this package. Everything from your ducted air conditioning to all the creature comfort little bits and pieces like your fittings and tiling throughout. It's a home that really lacks nothing.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good.
Boasting a functional living design and very spacious rooms, this 4-bedroom home has everything a young family, upsizer, or even a downsizer would consider perfect. 4 spacious bedrooms, all with built-ins. The master bedroom, which is flawlessly decorated, hosts its own ensuite and walk-in wardrobe. A unique feature to the home is storage space. Walk-in butler's pantry, which would suit even the fussiest of chefs. Enjoy this modern home and all your friends with an undercover entertaining area, completely private to neighbours, and a very low-maintenance functional yard. By strategically placing every aspect and making sure every resident has a wide range of opportunities to live, work and play, the Gables is truly unique and very well set out to meet everyone's needs. After some time preparing for this launch, I've discovered a delightful little pocket, a real sense of community that seems to remind me of how things used to be. A friendly place. Situated in the desirable Hills district, the Gables is well connected to key amenities and infrastructure. Strategically placed, the creation of the new town centre with primary schools, sports field and 10 acres of lake will be a real drawcard. The town centre will become the community hub for shopping, dining, education and recreation. Throughout the Gables, ribbons of parklands will connect to the central 10-acre lake. So whether you're kicking the footy with your kids, heading for a bike ride, or just want to relax, you'll find green spaces and playgrounds just around the corner. The simple yet functional design offers so much to so many buyers. Everyone from your family to your downsizer or even an upsizer. Really, come out, have a look. You won't be disappointed. For more information, head to martinandpartners.com.au.